Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is Rob with Make Money Audit. So today we're doing another audit on Ritesh Verma. I asked Claude to make me as much money as possible. The most honest person in this whole video is Claude. He asked Claude to make him $10,000. Claude told him the truth instead. Let's go ahead and listen to a little bit and listen to this guy sling the BS.
Watching free Claude courses with zero clarity on how to actually make money. Here's how I'm going to solve that.
Okay. So this one came up as a D. No surprise there. He says 5 prompts made him $10,000 in 7 days. His own screen says he's selling ceiling is 7,500. And only if you already have warm clients. Yeah, that's the key here. Big deal. You got to have people you know to talk to. Claude debunked him mid video. He read it out loud and kept going. Yeah, I caught that. Claude basically just told him, yeah, no. Let's listen to a little bit more.
I'm going to show you 5 prompts I gave to Claude that made me $10,000 in 7 days with $0 invested. These 5 prompts cut through the BS you see all over the internet about making money.
And the only one who's slinging BS is Ritesh. Again, like everybody else, he's trying to get you to think that his way is the best way. It's just not. It is, if you do the numbers and the math and you do your due diligence, this one is just another scam artist trying to get you to buy his stuff. So let me get into the audit. Okay. The prompts are real. Generally, we got that. Yeah. And generally well built. Identifying the framing at a yes man instruction, forcing Claude to show the funnel math. That's a competent prompting. If you strip the money claim off the video, there's an unusable tutorial underneath it. Okay. I don't know about you, but I have Claude, and I have it set to where it does not be a yes man. It does not tell me what I need to know. It questions me. It challenges me. It's basically like a ruthless mentor that will challenge me every step of the way. And it turns out it has proven itself more than valuable than you can believe. If you tell Claude just to give you yes answers on everything, you're going to fail because it's not going to give you the real details. You need to, in the settings in Claude, you need to tell it to challenge you, to interview you, to question everything, to give you the real answers. This guy is just giving you crap. Okay. All right. Let's see where are we at. Okay. So his words, 5 prompts I gave Claude with made me 10,000 in 7 days with $0 invested. What 31 minutes of the video shows an idea, a report, an offer, 2 plans, revenue, 0 clients, 0 payments, 0. Nothing showing that he proves anything. The business is a demo. The ride stack is invented on camera during this video by the prompt. I can't be, it cannot be a business that makes $10,000 a month before a video exists. I mean, this just doesn't make any sense. Okay. Let's see here. Let me bring more. Okay. The current offer can carry target. Okay. A 4 to 7.5K closes in 7 days on a warm trust is possible. If you have the customers, if you don't have it, that's not possible. 10K plus happens only if an existing hot lead surfaces. Read that again. If a hot lead surfaces, okay? His title says 10K in 7 days. His demo says that only happens with a client who's already exists. So if you don't have clients on this product or his suggestions, you're not getting anywhere, okay? Claude's cold outreach math. Okay, here it is. 150 to 300 DMs per client on an optimistic assumption. Most of the month's volume for 1 to 2 clients, no audience. You're looking at 1 to 2 clients in a month, not 3 high ticket in a week. So misleading information again there from Ritesh. Okay. $0 invested, run on his assets, not yours. That's right. The plan's fuel named on its own screen, an existing warm DM list. So you already has the customers. There's the key. 300 Instagram engagers, a paid community, newsletters, agency owner relationship and skill product you built for yourself on a Mentress. That's years of paid infrastructure reliable up for free. I'm sorry, I got really tongue tied on that one. That word really threw me off. Basically, he already has the existing clients. He already has the existing people. So, yeah, if you're going in this cold, you're not going to get there. Okay, so the day two to five breakdown in his own words. This is a full 9 to 5 job, almost 8 to 10 hours a day. Sold to people trying to escape a 50-hour work week. So you're going to stop a paying job. You work 50 hours a week for another one that you have to do 9 to 5, up to 8 to 10 hours a day. Don't think so, Ritesh. Not going to happen. Okay. So in the beginning, his opening promise, sign your first high ticket client in 7 days with zero invested. His own demo, honest math, 24 minutes later, without his audience, a month of full-time outreach gets you 1 to 2 clients, maybe. Both statements are saying the same video. Only one of them is true, and that came from Claude. You're not going to get his numbers in what he's telling you. Claude's basically, I'm surprised he even posted the video. Claude basically debunked his whole idea, and he still tried to prove that he's right over Claude. Okay. So here's what he does. He's teaching you manufactured urgency as a technique. That's right. His own words, founding clients pricing this week only because I'm capping it at 1. Essentially just an urgency creator. If you're trying to sell stuff, why would you cap it at 1? You wouldn't do that. So he's baiting you guys to try to jump in because you think he's the guy, Ritesh is the one, you have to jump and do what he does. You're just wasting your money, if anything, you deal with this guy. Then you watch in the last 60 seconds, it's not guaranteed, followed immediately by book a call for a guaranteed system that does bring in the high ticket clients. So he's contradicted himself multiple times in the video. Not guaranteed and guaranteed, 30 seconds apart out of the same mouth. So basically he says one thing and then shoots himself in the foot with the other. This guy is another scam artist. Don't fall for him. 61,000 of you already have, so you must be blind. I don't know what you're seeing, but if you're that blind and wasted money, good luck. I got some, swampland I can sell you. So one thing I want to ask is, if Claude told you your own business plan couldn't hit the number in your title, would you change the plan or would you change the title? He should have changed the title, but he didn't because he thinks he's right, and Claude basically sunk him and debunked his whole idea. All right. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to the next video. Talk to you guys later. Pass on anything Ritesh says. This is just garbage.